Huion sent me a drawing tablet for me to do an unboxing video and review for, so that's what I'm doing, but we need scissors.
I was gonna use a Walmart gift card to help you open this thing.
A Walmart gift card? Am I doing it? Am I cutting it?
Oh shit.
Look how averagely sized this box is.
I mean, that is a pretty small box. I mean, you could probably fit that whole thing in your hand.
Oh, hot damn. Thank you for choosing Huion. Oh shit, this is pretty. Is that what that's gonna look like? Alright, how do I continue opening it? Oh, there's tape. The scissors.
Use the force.
Bitch! Oh.
Oh.
Whoa!
Oh.
This shit's fucking huge!
You know what else is huge?
Shut the fuck up. Oh my god. I didn't realize how big this was. It's really warm. Logan. The tablet's the size of the box. This shit's fucking big.
You know what else is big?
Shut up, bro. This was the previous tablet that they sent me, and I've been using ever since.
Pretty big, pretty big.
What else is in here? Whoa, look at the tablet pen.
I'm in awe at the size of this lad.
Shit looks sexy. This literally is like an upgrade from plug-in. It's supposed to hold the pen like this one. This is the one from my previous tablet.
Ah.
And then I guess this is the cord that you use to hook it up to. It's a whole ass HDMI cord. What is this? Ah! What? 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 Oh. Is this the charger? And then... What? You do things for your hands.
Wait. What?
This is an upgrade.
Is this what it feels like to be Spider-Man?
Yes. Alright, is there anything else in here? Oh wait, I just got this.
Okay, I'm gonna start looking through the camera.
Yeah, you probably should do that. Is this just the instruction book? Oh? Oh, there's something to clean the screen with. Where to download the drivers. A warranty card, stickers. Oh wait, that's really useful. And then... just a manual. I guess let's figure out how to hook this up. Well, there's enough space for it. Yay.
Yay. Look at that.
Shit, so it's bigger than my computer. The screen of it is literally bigger than my computer screen.
Warm tip? Warm tip. Oh. Oh my. Oh yeah.
Oh, that's the power button. Whoa.
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 No signal. Well, that's depressing. We figured it out. We were having trouble trying to get it to work for a while, but apparently this just was not plugged in all the way. I don't know how that works hardware-wise, since everything else was functioning, like the power and such, but we fixed it, so I guess I can't really complain. Now let's see how this works with other programs. I'm gonna draw a penis! Do a pressure test. Whoa. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah! Oh, this is blessed. Oh, this is so blessed.
Who's that fucker?
Oh my god, this is so fun. Oh!
I found it. I have found all that I needed. No longer are you useful. I know how to get my goal. It's time to lock it down. She's the goal, she's the soul. My support is right within.